Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Lindt vegan hazelnut chocolate. I did a review of their salted caramel, the original. They're all really good. So far still preferred the original, but I haven't tried this one yet. And this was on sale. So check this out. Here are the ingredients. So you got sugar, oats, and then they use cocoa butter, cocoa mass, and you got the hazelnuts, and they put almonds in there. And there's the nutrient panel, and let's open this up. Okay, so I've opened it up. As you can see, I ripped off a piece right here. And you can see the nuts in there. That's actually pretty cool. And let's try it out. Ooh, this one's good. This one tastes like those, it tastes like the Lindt, but it tastes like the Ferrero Rocher on the other side. So this is probably my new favorite, and then the original, then the salted caramel. Or they're pretty much on par, but this is really awesome. It tastes like the Ferrero Rocher. So, alright guys, see more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video.